this wig be? Help push it, what, Mom?
I don't know. It's an awful long train. Do they usually have one at the other end to help?
Yeah, we'll find out, what?
Yeah, we'll find out if we keep sitting here and watching it. Every time we come, you get to see one, huh?
Yeah, I think that ball that gonna be Amtrak station.
No, it went past there.
It went past it before.
Yep.
That was happening before.
That's a really long one.
He's really slow.
Have you counted how many there were? You didn't even count, did you?
That's a long thing. And watch that send a long train. Oh, wow, he picked up speed.
No, not yet. We didn't even hear the horn. He was so long.
Wow, that's a long train never seen before.
We haven't seen a long one like that in a long time. Oh, that was it. No, there's no engine on the backside.
He's going hill.